This is your most important priority, as you can only survive for a few days without food and water. This will depend on your skill and how to get food. You can hunt, fish, gather plants, or trap animals. If you are planning to live in the wilderness, it is important to do your research and prepare properly. There are many videos on my channel that can teach you the skills you need to survive. You should also practice these skills in a safe environment before you try them in the wild. Living in the wilderness can be a rewarding experience, but it is important to be prepared. Getting food in the wild can be a challenge, but it can also be a rewarding experience. There are many different ways to find food in the wild by their own hand and skills. Catching fish is another popular way to find food in the wild. It can be a relaxing and enjoyable activity, and it can provide you with a fresh source of protein. However, today our boy gets snakehead fish. He does a challenge. Then finding snakehead fish can be a rewarding experience. They are a wily fish, and they can be difficult to catch. He is successful. He will be rewarded with a delicious and unique fish. So now he makes a campfire to grill the fish. Cooked over a campfire can be delicious. The smoky flavor of the campfire adds a unique and flavorful touch to the fish. However, it is important to cook the fish properly to avoid overcooking it and making it dry. No matter which method you choose, cooking fish over a campfire can be a delicious and rewarding experience. Thank you for your valuable time watching my video. Please click subscribe to my channel and follow my Facebook page. Thank you.